Hi everyone, RobIsNow here with another pastel painting. So again, I'm starting this one off with a grid format so I can get proportions in approximately the right place. So I grid out my reference picture and then lay a matching grid over the paper. Once that's done, I'm just getting key areas mapped out, like with the features, the eyes for the squirrel itself, the sort of the mouth and nose position, the hands. Some of the key details in the background, some of these standout leaves that I'm going to be drawing in, and some of those bits. Once that's done, straight into the colour. We work with the background. I try and work from sort of the top left of the paper down to the bottom right. I'm trying to limit the amount of palm pressing I'm going to be doing on an active piece of pastel, as it were. So if I filled in the right hand side of the paper first, I'd smudge everything with my hands as I moved over to the left. So that's why I work in this sort of fashion. I was quite pleased with how this turned out overall, but critical view of it now that it's done and I've put it away is it could be darker. The fur especially. I just couldn't get the colour to match quite right, so I think I need to just start working darker and bringing the colour out from the darkness, if that makes any sense. Because I just struggled getting the tone of that fur the way I wanted it. It's because partly I didn't have a colour that matched off the bat, and mixing the pastels on the paper is doable, but it's just a bit time consuming. So I kind of feel like that has let it down a smidge. But I'm really pleased with it overall. I really like what I've done with the leaves and the foliage, and you'll see as we progress through, I finished the piece, I called it done, I removed all the tape, I signed it, and then I realised upon looking at it a bit further on, I was like, he looks like he's floating, just in a sort of dark shadowy area. It's like, no, we'll come back, we'll do that. So I did a bit more, added some deeper, darker leaves under these bright standout ones, and kind of gave the ground a bit more of a grounded feeling, as it were. So it looked like he was standing on somewhere, and then there was a darker shadow sort of horizon line behind him, which helped set him in the paper, as it were, so it didn't look like he was quite floating. If you do like that, I'm hoping to get that on sale on my shop later this year. So once I've figured out prints and photos, what way the best way of doing it is. And here you can see I've just finished signing. I do the tape bill and then we come back and do a bit more. But I hope you enjoyed that. Also, let me know if you want to see longer videos or slower videos. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.